Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the resolution in Gamble with your friends. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to display. After that, look right here. Should be the option to change the resolution. Simply click the drop-down menu and select one of the values offered. For example, I will switch to this. As you can see, this indeed changed some things because the background blacked out for me. But once you make your choice, simply hit close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.